This exercise is a really awesome exercise for your core, your glutes, and your hamstrings, but it does require a little bit of setup. So I'm gonna help you set it up. Okay, so you can see I have bumper plates on the floor. That's gonna stop the barbell from rolling. Now, the weight on the bar, you wanna use a 45 because that allows the height for your feet to get underneath the bar. And it needs to be heavy enough to hold you down. So if you need to have one plate or two plates, whatever you need to do, go ahead and have that. Don't worry about if you don't have the bumper plates like I'm using. Just make sure that the weight on the bar is big enough for you to get under. Now, of course, I got an ab mat for my knees, and then I do have a glute pad for the back of my ankles, but you can also roll up a ab mat, or even if you have a different version of a squat pad or a glute pad, feel free to use that. It's just so that you don't crush the back of your feet. So what you're going to do, a Nordic curl, is that you're going to keep your body as straight as possible, and you're going to basically just slowly lower yourself to the floor. You should really feel this in your core, glutes, and hamstrings. So really focus on not letting your upper body fall first. This is really hard. It's almost like a trust fall because you have to let your whole body fall in a plank and let your hamstrings hold you up. Okay, now an alternative, because if you are not very strong or you can't get over the fact that you're falling, go ahead and grab a fit ball or an exercise ball like this and use it to support you and to slowly let you lower yourself down. What you want to make sure you're doing with the fit ball though is not letting it really support you so much that you're not feeling it in your hamstrings. So if you lose the effect in your hamstrings, you know you're laying on the ball too much. It's just there to help you feel comfortable. So straighten out your arms and again, make sure you're lowering yourself in a plank. Do not let your butt push back and let your upper body fall first. If you feel that, one, maybe the ball's too far away from you or you're just not trusting it. As you get stronger, you will fall slower and slower. But until then, just try to go as slow as you can and really focus on the hamstrings.